3, 2, 1.
What job do both Idrissa Ouedraogo and Jerry Paris have in common? The answer is D, director. Who is the patron saint of France? The answer is B, Saint Denis. Which 19th century English poet wrote Home Thoughts from Abroad? The answer is D, Robert Browning. In what year did Aristotle first study physics? The answer is B, 1st century BC. The Codex Vaticanus is said to be the oldest almost complete manuscript of which book? The answer is C, Greek Bible. The islands of Zanzibar and Madagascar are in which ocean? The answer is B, Indian. Who along with Chris O'Donnell was the original host of Sherlock Jr.? The answer is B, Abigail Breslin. What may be a fact about narrator? The answer is C, she flirts without knowing it. Repel flies, how would you do this? The answer is A, hang a few. What will be created in the medieval Triforium? The answer is A, the Queen's Diamond Jubilee Galleries. In the conflict, who lead the German states of the North German Confederation? The answer is B, the Kingdom of Prussia. On the cover of what magazine did Demi Moore appear nude and pregnant in 1991? The answer is C, Vanity Fair. What is the longest river in Portugal and the 5th longest in Europe? The answer is A, Tagus. Who did Richard Nixon defeat in the 1988 American presidential election? The answer is A, Michael Dukakis. How many people gather along the banks of the Vistula for the Wreaths Festival? The answer is A, thousands. What kind of patisseries are located in Romania? The answer is D, French patisseries. What committee does the Policy Committee oversee? The answer is A, the Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee. Of what are you afraid of if you suffer from chromophobia? The answer is B, color S. What does the recluse realize after he shoots his dog? The answer is A, the recluse has contracted a fungal disease. When was in Scotland's latest rejection of the specialist school model? The answer is D. 2005. What year do plans call for the completion of a rail line to Bellevue? The answer is C. 2023. What movie title was translated in China as Mr. Cat Poop? The answer is C. As Good as It Gets. Patient. Nurse, I just swallowed my pillow. Nurse, how do you feel? Patient. The answer is A. A little down in the mouth. On what date did Timur beat the Delhi Sultan? The answer is D. 17 December 1398. Social reformer Frank Pakenham was better known as whom? The answer is D. Lord Longford. On which day did CBC release an updated announcement stating they were striving to update all 27 transmitters? The answer is A. On December 16, 2010. What is home to more than 50,000 artifacts? The answer is B. BYU's Museum of Art. Flora Post and the Starkadder family appear in which novel? A parody of those by Mary Webb. The answer is A. Cold Comfort Farm. In the context of chemistry, what is an attribute of a substance as a consequence of its atomic, molecular, or aggregate structure? The answer is B. Energy. What are biogeochemical pathways used to decipher? The answer is C. Earth history. What connects everyone Paul contacts? The answer is C. The experience of being hustled by Paul. What was the name of the heating system that first used Glauber's salt? The answer is C. Dover House. In the Marvel Universe, the public treated conferred what response on the Fantastic Four? The answer is A. Celebrity status. What year was overseas contingency operations changed to violent extremism countering? The answer is D. 2010. Which brand was marketed with the slogan Anytime, Anyplace, Anywhere? The answer is D. Martini. Which number on the Beaufort scale denotes a gentle breeze? The answer is C. 3. Who founded cities in Egypt, Afghanistan, Turkey, and several other countries? The answer is B. Alexander the Great. According to myth, what property did all 70 versions of the Bible have? The answer is A. Identical. What does quantum mechanics determine about entropy? The answer is D, must increase over time. What body ruled the Eisenhower was not a professional writer? The answer is C, Department of the Treasury. Guadarrama National Park and Teide National Park are national parks located in which country?
The answer is A, Spain.
In which country is the spectacular 1,650 stone-built 23-arch Kaju Bridge? The answer is B, Iran. Coercion of a representative or a state itself will result in what happening to its consent to a treaty? The answer is D, invalidate that consent. What is the most expensive HMC boarding school in the UK? The answer is C, Harrow. Joseph Calmash states that Tibet became subject to what government? The answer is C, the Chinese central government. How long have bears existed? The answer is C, for well over 1 million years. What can a region that is associated with a particular ethnic group be called? The answer is C, ethnolect. On the back side of the $1 bill we can see an ancient Egyptian pyramid, beneath a triangle containing a glowing eye. This symbol's origin is? The answer is B, Freemason. Who is the only U.S. president to serve 2 non-consecutive terms of office? The answer is B, Grover Cleveland. What does sparging convert starches into?